Sorry. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys the difference between printing on edible sugar sheets and edible wafer paper. So sometimes people call this sugar sheet or sugar paper or edible sheet. I don't know, whatever you call it. So this is the edible sugar sheet and then this is the wafer paper. So I'm going to be showing you guys the difference today. So let's get started. And if you haven't seen my video on how to use your edible printer for the very first time, I have a video on that on this channel. I'm going to put the link right up here for you guys. And also, if you just bought an edible printer and you don't know how to use it, or I did an unboxing for you guys so you can, or if you don't know which one to buy, so you can buy this one. It's perfect, it's wonderful, and it comes with everything you need in a pack. You don't have to buy any other thing, which makes it wonderful. So I'm going to put the link right up here for you guys as well, and the link to buy it on Amazon will be in my description box below. So let's get started with this video. Yeah, we are printing on sugar sheet and we're printing on wafer paper. Okay, so guys, today we're going to be printing on sugar paper and wafer paper. See, this is wafer paper and this is sugar paper. This is more expensive than this one, and when you buy this particular printer, if you guys haven't seen my video on my unboxing video for this edible printer, I'm going to put the link right up here for you to see. So it comes with 25 pieces of this sugar sheet and 50 pieces of this wafer paper. So let me tell you guys the difference between wafer paper and sugar paper. So usually sugar paper comes with this thing at the back that preserves its integrity, and it is really nice. You can use it for edible fabric. You can, like, it is very pliable. When you print on it, you can cut it and it will fit what you want to use it for, because it's very pliable and very nice. It is very paper-like and it is quite expensive, and it's a lot easier to use. On the other hand, the wafer paper is very flimsy. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me show you what I'm talking about. See this edge? If you bend it over, it will break off. Bend in the other direction and it's broken. In this case, if you do that, it won't. See? Because this is more pliable and this is a lot easier to use and better, especially if you're going to be using it on fondant and buttercream. But for this one, I prefer to use it on fondant because when you put it on buttercream still has some level of water in it, so it kind of becomes shriveled and, like, you know, like it's squeezing. I don't know, the longer it stays on the buttercream, the messier it gets. So this is less quality than this one. So most times I prefer to buy this one, but sometimes when it's, you know, like I'm trying to, you know, lowball stuff, I use this one. Anyway, so we're going to be printing on this too, so I can show you the difference. And this one takes, the sugar sheet takes color more than the wafer paper. Yeah, so let's get started. Yeah, okay, so now that we've printed on regular A4 paper, I'm going to show you guys how to print on, this is sugar sheet and this is wafer paper. If you want to see the difference between these two, I have a video coming up. I think it's already on my channel, I'm not sure, that shows the difference between the wafer paper and the sugar paper. So, and when you buy this particular printer, it comes with 25 pieces of sugar sheets and 50 pieces of wafer paper. So if you want to see, I have a video about unboxing this thing on my channel. I'm going to put the link right up here also for you guys to see, so you can see what comes with this. So by the way, right now we're going to be printing on sugar sheet. So we're going to put it right here, open this flap and put it here. Yay! So it printed perfectly. See how pretty this looks. Yeah, see how perfect. This is the sugar sheet. See how well it takes color. And this is a regular A4 paper that you print regularly on. See the difference. This one looks so sharp and so nice and, like, really quality. It looks like regular photo. So now we're going to leave this aside. This is the sugar sheet and this is the A4 paper, and then we're going to try the wafer paper. So we're going to put this in here. Let me do it this way. Open this flap and then put it in here and then close it, and then we're going to go to our phone again. Now see, it has taken a shape, a different shape. So this is the wafer paper and this is the sugar paper. Do you guys see the difference? This is a wafer, this is sugar paper, this is wafer paper. This one takes color more, and this is ×3 more expensive. This one takes color less likely, but This is a lot cheaper and it's a lot flimsier. See, it can show at the back. See this one, it feels like a normal paper. So that's the difference. And usually when I want to use this, I use this a lot on fondant, because when you use it on buttercream, it changes shape and then it becomes wrinkled when the liquid of the buttercream touches it. So let me put it side by side so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is wafer paper and this is sugar paper. Can you see the difference? It looks very different. This is more pigmented. This is a lot nicer. And maybe you're covering the light. This is very, you know, paper-ish and very flimsy. So that's the difference between wafer paper and sugar paper. This is more expensive. This is less expensive. This takes color more. This doesn't take color as well. This is a lot thicker and nicer to work with and a lot easier to work with, a lot easier to cut. This is a lot flimsier. It is not so easy to cut and it breaks off. Let me show you what I mean. I showed you guys earlier. See, if you bend it, it breaks off. In the case of the sugar paper, it is more pliable, so it's a lot easy to work with. When you bend it, it doesn't break off as easily. It does break off eventually the drier it gets. So, and another difference is in storage. Let me show you guys. When you want to store this, you have to make sure it is airtight, both of them. Otherwise, when this gets dried, when the sugar sheet gets dried, it breaks off just as easily as this. So you want to make sure you store it properly. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So last basically this is how it looks. So this is the sugar sheet and this is the wafer paper. Can you see the difference? This one is obviously a lot better and of course more expensive, because but that thing na money kill am. So this is the sugar sheet, this is the wafer paper, and let me hold the third one. This is just regular A4 paper. Can you guys see the difference? Let me hold it like this. Yeah, sugar sheet, no, wafer paper first, sugar sheet, and add regular A4 paper. Yeah, so this is how it turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed my videos because I enjoyed making it for you. And if you want to buy sugar sheet or wafer paper, I'm going to leave a link for you guys in the description box below, so you guys can buy those. And when you buy anything on there, I get a commission. Thank you guys for always watching my videos and supporting me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.